cheese. You know we're not rocking with that lactose, baby.
Oh wow, look at how amazing that is. That is amazing. A little bit of a gap up there, not bad at all. Yeah, so this thing is pretty sweet. And it's got the lock there, so when you want to drop the drywall, you just flip that lever. It's got this for the cable, neat little handle. It's got wheels that lock. It's neat little thing here, and it goes up 11 feet in the air. And it's got the arms for supporting, and you can tilt that so it'll install panels on the wall. They would be the handles that would keep the panel from falling as you're installing it on the wall. Yeah, so good deal. Yeah, panel, drywall here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put 9,000 screws in it. 9,000. I don't do it. You do it. All right, so we're doing a ceiling in this workshop here. It's my garage. And I ordered the VEVOR Drywall Lift that goes up 11 feet. So the garage ceiling here is about 9 feet. And we're gonna get to opening it up, and okay, we got the base, it's got the wheels. Looks simple enough. We got one of the arms. And we got another arm. We don't play with none of that. No mozzarella. No cheddar. I think there's geniuses that are in charge of packing stuff like this. Stay within my sight. No, it's not a game, you gon' pay the price. I've been off my meds, but I'll be alright. Just right with my business friend, I'm good. Hope you all know when it's understood. Give me some respect, I think you should. Don't bring no cheese on inside my hood. What's good with my vegans, they know what I mean. I still eat meat, but at least we agree. Cheese ain't the way I used to see. And this thing is got a piece welded to it, so you don't install it that way. Alright, so we gotta put it in this way. There we go. So there's a piece inside there that it has to rest in. Let's see if these wheels are locked. Okay, 6mm metric. So 6mm Allen goes in this. Okay, and then somehow this latches. I don't know how. Oh, crap. It's rising. I wasn't even aware of it. Alright, so we'll let it down. That goes in here. Right. So our first arm. It's installed this way, and it's got a little clip here that'll keep it from moving out. So this is the clip I was talking about, and it goes into here. Oh, that's the click that I was looking for. So I might need a little convincing with a hammer. For the extensions. So we just pull, so I want you to see this. So the extension goes in here, but you pull this pin, and there's holes here that'll let you set all the way in or whatever if you're doing a 4-foot sheet, it looks like. So if we do like that, it's okay, but so yeah, we're gonna do an 8-foot sheet, right? So that might be where the 8-foot mark will be. What do you think? Trim away. Yeah, we got our insulation going on, but guess what? I got this VEVOR lift here. Yeah, buddy. So we are rocking now. So I managed to get it. It just fits perfectly in here in this space. I got it to fit between here. It's like 4 feet in between the track and this track here. I was able to squeeze it up there, and now I just gotta chip away the drywall a little bit so it fits in that little gap there with the wires. Literally out of leg room. There we go. Oh wow, look at how amazing that is. That is amazing. It's a little bit of a gap up there, not bad at all. Let's see, right here, right here. Oh yeah. That was super cool. Okay, so let's retract these all the way. And retract this one. Oh, they both can't be retracted at the same time. Or maybe they can. Maybe they'll slide against each other. Yes, okay, they do. All right, that's fancy. And there you go. That's what it retracts to. Okay, so this flips over. And then it goes like this. That's how you get it to flip. Hey, you flip. Okay, so right here, all right, there's this little pin that sticks out of this that allows you to remove a lock. So that's right here. And then engages that so it doesn't fall off. But if you want to lift up the panel, or if you want to make the panel so that you could probably load it this way too and then flip it down and lock it into place. But then that way you can do it to work on the wall, and you would just flip these legs out like this, right? And then that'll catch the panel. So yeah, good deal. I'm happy with that. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. It's nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with the VEVOR drywall lift. Super easy to get it up there. I had to negotiate between the tracks, the two tracks for the garage door opener. So the sheet of drywall is installed. I just got to put more screws in the middle. But yeah, we are good. Drywall. Yeah, digging it. I'm digging it. And so you can see the sheet of drywall is now perfectly installed. Installation, assembly was easy. Just had to figure a couple things out, and once I did, we're golden. I think that this is very strong. It's able to lift the weight, the sheet of a drywall. It's able to lift a sheet of drywall, no problem. And I always wear gloves. I would wear gloves when you're doing this anyway, just because of potential pinch points, but also the cable. There could be some sharp edges on the cable. So yeah, this is a really good investment, and it will allow me to finish this this ceiling in the garage quickly. So yeah, I'm really liking it.